Hey everybody, so it is April and I got my House of Suppliez monthly nail box early. So I wanted to hurry up and get this up ahead of the other videos so anyone who was waiting on it could see what they were going to be getting. This actually shipped out like a week after I got my last one, so it came a little quicker this month. I do like the new envelopes. Last time it was just a plain pink envelope. It looks like they got some specialized ones which are really cute. It's a bubble mailer, but so let's go ahead and dig in here. So up first we have some neon butterflies. These are the like vinyl ones, so they're a little softer, a little easier to work with. And there's some mixed colors, and then there's each individual color. These are gorgeous and right in time for summer. What else? What else? Oh, we have some chains. So these chains have little some of them are different patterns. They're silver and gold. Like these ones have hearts on them. It's kind of hard to see. Yeah, they have little hearts along them, and they have different patterns, different lengths. These are kind of cute. I have some more of these, and I keep wanting to use them, and I always forget, you know? And I always tend to do my own nails pretty plain. That was part of why I got this. I want to start branching out on myself, at least, doing different nail art stuff. All right, what's next? We have, so we have some rainbow designer decals. These are the Louis Vuitton ones. There are the single ones, the big ones. Then we have the little like sheets to do like across the nail. And then the chains and little strips. I love these multicolored ones. They're so pretty. Gives you so many options, you know? Love those. This one's probably going to be a short one, so I just wanted to get this up for anybody who might be waiting so they can see what they got coming. Ooh, okay. So these are little designer charms. We have dollar signs, and they're curved properly to sit on the nail. So we have, let's see, Yves Saint Laurent, Dior, the little Louis Vuitton pattern, or I don't know which one that is. We have Gucci and Louis Vuitton. All right, let's move right along. Ooh. Okay, sorry, I'm excited. Let's see. I love mystery boxes. We have pistols, little metal pistol charms. Hang on, let's open these up so you guys can see up close. And these are curved to sit on the nail bed too. I like the attention to detail, but see how they have that little curve? And these are what they look like on the front. So this is that $12.99 mystery box, the nail box. Like, I know they had the icy box, which is just gems, and then they have the lash box, which is lashes, fake lashes. And then they have this. And then they also have a subscription box, which includes like a big thing of acrylic and monomer. Okay, so we have Pom Poms again, and they are magnetic. I didn't know that last time. I feel dumb. This time we got furry hearts. 2 of them. I really want to try these, but I'm so, I know I'm going to lose them. I love these things. They are so cute. And I have kind of a collection of them going over here that I keep meaning to use. All right, we are at the end. This is the last thing. We got the cutter. Oh, yay. It even comes with instructions. So this is the French water drop cutter. So I know it says it's to paint with, but most people use them to cut the acrylic out. And I've been wanting one of these, but never enough to buy it, so it's kind of cool to have it. So you can use it this way to cut it off for the V-cut, or you can use it to paint the pattern on if you're using gel polish for it. And it has all the different sizes around it. I like these. I've always wanted to try one, but never enough to buy it. And that's kind of the point of these, I think. And it's stuff that I normally wouldn't buy myself, because to get each thing, you have to buy a big nail art pack, or, you know, get a couple boxes at once or a pack of stickers at once. And I don't want to try them enough to do all that. So this is kind of nice. Like, none of it's very expensive, but you also don't pay for shipping. So it ends up coming in at under 10 bucks with shipping. And I just, like, yeah, it's not expensive, but it saves me the trouble of having to buy a bunch of them at once just to try it out. And I think that's the fun of the mystery pack, is getting stuff you wouldn't normally buy for yourself. But then you have it if you ever want to try it. So I think that's kind of fun. I do enjoy mystery packs very much. That's actually how I met one of my best friends. She had an acrylic company and she did mystery packs, and that was the first one that I tried, and I fell in love with it. So I stalked her and harassed her until she became friends with me at the Glam Trap House, which she's got some amazing acrylic too, but she's taking maternity leave right now, so I can't wait till she comes back. But yes, mystery packs are how we met. So yeah, I will include the link in the description box to the nail box if you guys are interested. Like I said, this is the April one. Usually they ship out at the end of the month, so this one's a little early. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I haven't been disappointed in anything I've gotten in one of these so far, so, you know, she's pretty good at keeping a varied selection in there, so. All right, we got our videos coming up this week. I'm going to try the live again tomorrow on YouTube. We're going to try. Then we have the eye gel haul, the Glam and Glitz, the Mar ones. What else? The crimping video will hopefully be uploaded soon. I have some nail supply glamour stuff coming. What else? I don't know what else. I'll keep you guys posted as we go. But as always, thanks for watching.